Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 3. Draw a right angle and construct its bisector. Let us draw a right angle with the help of a protractor. Right. First of all, we choose a scale or ruler. We make a line. Right. After that, we shall take the protractor. We are taking the protractor and we point this here as 0 and let us make 90-degree angle. It is right angle. Right. Here is 90-degree. Therefore, we will take this 90 point here. This is 90-degree. Right. This is 90-degree. Let us take another point, that is let us take this point here, that is it is 90-degree. Right. Now with the help of scale we draw this line yes, this is 90-degree. Right. Now we draw a line here. Right. We got a 90-degree angle. If we give the name of the angle, the name of the angle is, let us give an arrow here, and name of the angle is A, this is B, and this is C. Right. I have to construct its bisector. Right. Let us take the protractor to find. Let us take one compass to find the angle bisector. Right. Let us take this one. Let us take this pointer at point B and make a distance of this curve here. Let us make a curve here. Right. Right. Now take this pointer at this position and make another arc. Let us take this pointer at this point and make an arc again. You can increase this one, right, and make an arc again. Right. Now take this point, this pointer at this point, take this pointer at this point and make another arc. Right. And here we get this point. Now we draw a line here. Draw this line. right? Now draw this line here, right? Now give the name here. Now give the near ABC. This one is this. We draw another arrow here, this another arrow, and this is named as D, right? Now draw a right angle triangle with the help of a protractor. We make a right angle triangle, that is here you can see that angle. Now you remove this compass, we'll remove this compass and this arrow also, this compass also, right? Now here you find that angle, ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. And here you see that since BD is the angle bisector, BD is the angle bisector, BD is the angle bisector, BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC, right? Therefore you can say that angle ABD is equal to angle DBC, right? In this way you can construct this angle, right? What is the question? Draw a right angle and construct a bisector. We have make a right angle ABC with the help of protractor. After that we made the angle bisector BD, right? Here angle ABC is 90 degree and BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, you can say that angle ABD is equal to angle DBC. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 14.6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.